What's up friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your password in Coinbase. Simply click the three lines on the upper left hand side, then on top click your accounts and settings, scroll down a bit to where you'll find phone numbers, tap on that, and at the top you want to go ahead and choose the option that basically allows you to change your email and password. So tap on that on the upper left, then here you'll have password. It says update, so tap on the update button, and from here you'll be able to receive a code to your phone. So all you have to do is just wait until you receive that code, and once you go ahead and copy the code, head back over to the application and simply paste in the code. And here you will see that you now have the option to create a new password. So just go ahead and fill in the new password and confirm the password. Click and continue. Now what's going to happen is that once you enter the new password, you'll receive a second code that you want to enter. Once you enter it, it's going to allow you to change the password afterwards. Once you enter that code, your password will be successfully changed after. And that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys.